Everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to do a flip through with you guys on my coffee junk journal that I made. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. All right, so let's talk about the cover for a second. And what I did is just took some material that had roasted coffee espresso on it, and I sewed that down and took out the mocha part and put it on the flap and did a little sewing. Used a cork, just a wine cork, like this. I got like a whole box of them at Goodwill, just a whole, and I'm like, you know what, I can use these for something. And I just slice it around and use just the little sliver part of it here. And then I just put a brad through it, like that. And there you go. And then we did some buttons. I put it on there. I did a video and showed you guys my mixed media buttons, and I'll post that down below. And I thought these looked great, just like fun coffee beans, kind of just scattered everywhere, if you could see. I mean, they're textured. They're really nice. They're kind of cool. And when I put the signatures in, I just kind of worked around the buttons. So the signatures are secure in there. And I just made sure to work around the buttons and stuff, so the signatures kind of, and then you'll see when I open it up, they look great. They seem fine. And I just had to work around the buttons. So next time when I do this, if I do it again, I'll put the signatures in first and then glue the buttons on. I mean, it makes sense. But that's okay. This is kind of just gives it a little more character. And we got our little dangle here with some ribbon and eyelash lace yarn and some fun lace and just different things. And I did a bold pin and put some beads on it and put it through an eyelet here. So this is removable if you want to take it off. So we got that. And then some more sewing. I used a linen skirt that I've had, and I love it. I've been using it forever. It's just a skirt that doesn't fit me anymore, and I never wear it, and it's great. It comes in really handy. And just kind of left everything kind of frayed around just to give it a little more character. And did some black stitching. Yeah, and a little more buttons back here. Okay, so that's the outside of it. All right. And this will be in my Etsy shop. I'll get pictures of it today and do the measurements and everything. And there is 100 pages inside of it. There's 5 signatures of 5 pages each. So that's 20 pages front and back, each signature. Okay. And then that just wraps around the cork and comes around. And we got some fun beads on it. And I went ahead and tied a knot at the top and glued it. And at the bottom here. So they're not falling all over the place. They stay in place. So that's secure. And they're just fun little beads. Okay. And then we got the inside here. Make sure you guys can see. Okay. And I got my pretty papers that I went ahead and sewn around the whole thing and in between, as you can see. Just did some zigzag stitching and glued down some pretty papers. And it's got a front pocket here. And each signature I did craft paper on the front of each one. So this is the first signature. And I left a lot of it, all of it's just like a naked journal that you can add your own things to. And there's only a pocket at the front and at the back here. And it comes with a tag that I made. So just a fun little tag. And I just did some vintage ink. Any kind of inking that you see, like around all the journal and stuff, is with the vintage photo, distressed oxide. That's what I used. Okay, so this is the first signature, and it's fun. I'm inspired by, and then you can write just some fun things that you want, and adventures and airplanes and just different things. Just a fun little interest page. And here's a little poem, family recipes, just some, this is like from the 80s, I think. I'm pretty sure it's the 80s. I got it from my mother-in-law, and just some fun pages that she's had that I thought I'd incorporate. Some stenciling with graph paper, and then some mosaic, fun stuff throughout. And we'll just kind of do a flip through here. So like I said, each signature has 20 pages front and back. And then here's some more stuff. And then the end of the signature. So each one has a fun craft paper on it. And then you could decorate and do whatever you want. Put your own touches in here. And then I did some, there's some onion dyed and avocado dyed. And I do some Rit dye, which is, I use for tie-dyeing my banner flags and my gift bags that I make, my rainbow gift bags in my Etsy shop. So I have all that I do. And then this was onion dyed. And then some fun just nature stuff and gardening things out of a book. And I showed you guys how to take baby powder and glue and water, and I have a video on that, and you can take the shine. Like this looked like this one. This is the back of that. And it takes the shine right out of it. So it's kind of cool. So that's a fun video. Okay, some more stenciling, some interest pages, some writing. There's tons of writing space in here. I mean, every page is pretty much. And then these, you know, you got your fun, you know, book pages and stuff to look at. And you could do gluing on them or just anything you want. Okay. And you got an envelope in there. So you have Valentine's coming up, so I thought that would be cute. And then a little Valentine's card. A little girl and a boy, they're all looking at the card. So that's fun. Avocado dyed paper. Envelopes. I did a little sewing. And some peppers. And then you can see the side, I went ahead and used the baby powder glue solution, and you can see you got a little shine, but not much. So that's kind of a fun, and it feels really soft. And then some handmade paper that I made with some rose petals in it and some string. And then some index card in the middle of that signature. So I love the color pages you can do too. I put those throughout, and avocado and onion dyed them. And then here's a paper bag that's fun to put some stuff in. You got little pockets on each side, and I did a little sewing. And some more journaling spots. And some more pockets. So you do have those pockets too. And then that's the end of that one. And like I showed you, I have this comes with it, and you got some more journaling space on the back here. And I just did some more rose pretty paper and some sewing around, and another pocket. And that's pretty much it on this. So it's pretty much a naked journal that you guys can add your own character to and put your own spin on it. And I just thought the coffee theme was fun because everybody loves coffee, you know, you need your coffee in the morning. And yeah, just with the buttons, I always want to call them beads for some reason, the buttons that I put on, and I just think it's a nice little touch. So like I said, this will be in my Etsy shop, and I'll make sure to put the link down below for you guys. And this just wraps around, and you can wrap it however you want. Just like that. And there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you could, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, share, and let's grow together. and keep on crafting, guys. Have a great day.